Hello everyone. Today I'll be demonstrating a Java program that calculates the n Fibonacci number using the recursion. So to get started, this program's main or key component is the Java util scanner to accept user input for the number n. The recursive method Fibonacci, displayed as int n, calculates the Fibonacci number by summing two preceding Fibonacci numbers. So the base cases are simple. If is 0, the program returns 0. And if n is 1, it returns 1. For any value of n greater than 1, the program calls itself with the values n, n1, and n-2, and sums the result. So first, I'll run the code. When prompted, I'll input the number, let's say 14. Press enter. The program then calculates the Fibonacci number for 14 and displays the output 377. So for the invalid version of the code, I run it again and enter -5. The program will recognize this as invalid and display, please enter a non-negative integer. This is an example of how the program ensures the users enters a valid non-negative integer. So that's how the Fibonacci program works. It uses a recursion to calculate Fibonacci numbers and include an input validation to help invalid inputs. Thanks for watching.